Hey everyone, Thomas here at MGM Classic Cars. I have this 1975 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray up for sale. Just came in today on a local trade-in. Gentleman kept it in his garage for a while, for a long time. Took it to just a couple local car shows. Finished in a really nice, brilliant silver. Nice, clean exterior, nice tires, good wheels. Very clean interior, as you can see, 4-speed transmission. It is in a factory L48 with the 350 motor. It is numbers matching. Tilt wheel, power steering, power brakes as well. There are your painted T-tops as well for the Corvette. Runs and drives really nice. I'll fire it up. I want you guys to hear it as well. It is a really nice, clean, affordable Corvette. And you can take this puppy to car shows and just have a good time with it. Paint shines really nice. I don't see any major defects at all on the Corvette. Let's get this hood closed. Give me 1 second here. To hear it. Okay. All right, keys are in it. Great. 75,554, believed to be original miles. It looks that way. Mount this camera up. Let's get the mirrors all lined up here. We'll go for a little test drive, guys. Just back out of this driveway here. We go through a lot of these Corvettes. This is a really nice, clean one, guys. All right. Normally we'll go down this street here and check for any police officers. Steering feel on the Corvette. Shifting is nice and easy. Clutch feels good. It goes straight down the road. Let's see how the brakes perform. All right, brakes perform good as well. So that's checked off. All righty. Now that we know there's no cops, we can get on it a little bit here. Trips the tires in second gear. Oh, that was 60 miles an hour, pretty darn quick. We'll extend this test drive a little bit here. No weird noises going down the road, guys. You hit a pothole or anything, it doesn't. It's not gonna clank the whole car. I mean, it takes the bumps really good. Suspension does feel nice and tight on the Corvette as well. Speedo works, tach works, turn signals function, horn works, lights function, wipers work. Let's see here. Radio works, everything functions. Get in it, have fun. For under 20 grand, guys, you can't have more fun than this. 75 Corvette, guys. T-tops, 4-speed, original numbers matching L48s. Great little affordable investment, I tell you. Take advantage of our low price, guys. $17,994 right now. Shop around, you'll see. God, this thing feels good. This thing feels real good. MGM is located at 150 South Church Street in Addison, Illinois, 60101. We're 20 minutes from the Chicago O'Hare Airport, 45 minutes from Midway. If you feel like flying in and driving this baby back across the country home, not a problem. You will get there. This thing's very reliable. Get a pen handy. I will give you my phone number to call me or text me for a zip code. I'll need to give you a delivery quote. If you need financing, go to mgmclassiccars.com and fill out that credit application. Before you do so, guys, please call me or text me. Let's make sure this little Corvette Stingray is still available. Okay? We're going to head back to the shop here where we have over 200 classic vintage cars available for you. All right, well, that cop was right behind me. It looks like he's not going to pull me over because I did forget my dealer plates. I got lucky on that one. Anyway, check us out, mgmclassiccars.com. My number is 847-848-1850. Thanks, guys, for watching. We'll talk very soon.